Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discover together the essential role bees play in our environment. Prepared to be amazed by these incredible insects. Bees are social insects that live in organized colonies. There are more than 20,000 species of bees worldwide. The best known is the honeybee Apis mellifera, used for honey production. In the hive, each bee has a role. The queen lays the eggs. The workers collect nectar, feed the larvae, and maintain the hive. And the male's drones are responsible for reproduction. Bees spend their days foraging on flowers to collect nectar and pollen. This nectar is transformed into honey in the hive. By foraging, bees pollinate plants. They carry pollen from one flower to another, which allows plants to reproduce and produce fruits and vegetables. Without bees, much of our food supply would be at risk. About 75% of the world's crops depend, at least in part, on pollination by bees. Thanks to them, we enjoy many fruits, vegetables, and even cotton for our clothing. But that's not all. They preserve biodiversity by helping many plants reproduce, which allows other animals to feed and survive. For several years, bees have been in danger. The main causes are the use of pesticides, the loss of natural habitats, pollution, and disease. Every year, millions of colonies disappear worldwide. This threatens food production, biodiversity, and the balance of our planet. We can all help bees. Plant a variety of local flowers in your gardens. Avoid pesticides. Support local beekeepers. Raise awareness among your loved ones. Together, let's protect these little heroines of nature.